Welcome back to Amica Studio, your destination for architecture, home design ideas, and interior design inspiration.
Nature-inspired rustic modern kitchen patio oasis with Living Walls Courtyard Harmony. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding solace in nature becomes increasingly paramount. The concept of bringing the outdoors in has taken root in interior design, creating serene escapes within our homes. One such manifestation is the nature-inspired rustic modern kitchen patio oasis with Living Walls Courtyard Harmony. Embracing nature. At the heart of this design philosophy lies a profound appreciation for nature's beauty. The rustic elements pay homage to the rugged allure of the great outdoors, while modern touches infuse the space with sleek sophistication. From reclaimed wood accents to stone finishes, every element resonates with the earthy tones and textures found in the natural world. Creating your kitchen patio oasis, a guide to blending indoor and outdoor living. The kitchen is more than just a space for cooking, it's the beating heart of your home. Imagine transforming it into a tranquil oasis where culinary delights mingle with the serenity of nature. Welcome to the realm of the kitchen patio oasis, a harmonious blend of indoor comfort and outdoor allure. Let's delve into how you can bring this vision to life and make your kitchen the soulful center of your home. One, embrace natural light. Natural light is the cornerstone of any inviting space. Maximize it by incorporating large windows, skylights, or glass doors in your kitchen design. Allow sunlight to flood the space, creating a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. Not only does natural light enhance the ambience, but it also fosters a sense of openness and connection with nature. Two, blur the boundaries. Break down the barriers between your kitchen and patio to create a fluid living experience. Opt for sliding glass doors or French windows that open up to your outdoor sanctuary. This architectural choice not only expands your living area but also encourages effortless flow between cooking, dining, and outdoor relaxation. By blurring the boundaries, you invite the outdoors in and vice versa, fostering a sense of unity and continuity. Three, integrate greenery and water features. Infuse your kitchen patio oasis with lush greenery and the soothing sound of water. Incorporate potted plants, hanging baskets, or a vertical garden to bring nature indoors. Consider adding a small fountain, bubbling brook, or even a miniature pond to create a calming ambience. The sight and sound of water can elevate your culinary experience, transforming it into a sensory delight. Four, designed for comfort and relaxation. Make your kitchen patio oasis a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Choose comfortable seating options such as cushioned chairs, benches, or even a cozy outdoor sofa. Create intimate gathering spots where family and friends can gather to share meals, stories, and laughter. Incorporate soft textiles, throw pillows, and blankets to add warmth and coziness, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Five, harmonize with nature's palette. Extend the natural beauty of your surroundings into your kitchen patio oasis. Choose earthy tones, organic materials, and rustic textures that complement the outdoor landscape. Embrace natural elements such as wood, stone, and metal to create a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. Let nature be your guide as you select colors, finishes, and decor that resonate with the serene beauty of the outdoors. Achieving stunning living walls, enhancing aesthetic appeal and well-being. Central to the concept of this sanctuary are the living walls that envelop the courtyard, breathing life into the space. Cascading foliage and vibrant blooms create a symphony of color and texture, transforming the environment into a veritable oasis. Not only do these living walls enhance aesthetic appeal, but they also purify the air and promote a sense of well-being, a testament to the inherent connection between humans and nature. As you step into the rustic kitchen patio, you are immediately enveloped in a delightful blend of natural elements and modern design. It's a sanctuary amidst the lush greenery, where every detail beckons you to unwind and savor the moment. One, selecting suitable plants. The first step in creating a captivating living wall is selecting the right plants. Opt for a variety of species that thrive in vertical environments and complement each other in terms of color, texture, and growth habits. Consider factors such as light exposure, humidity levels, and maintenance requirements to ensure the longevity of your living wall. Two, designing for visual impact. Create a visually striking composition by arranging plants in a way that maximizes their aesthetic appeal. Experiment with different patterns, textures, and arrangements to achieve a harmonious balance of colors and shapes. Incorporate cascading foliage, vibrant blooms, and trailing vines to add depth and dimension to your living wall. Three, ensuring proper irrigation and drainage. Proper irrigation and drainage are essential for the health and vitality of your living wall. Install a reliable irrigation system that delivers water evenly across the entire surface, ensuring that each plant receives the moisture it needs to thrive. Additionally, incorporate a drainage system to prevent waterlogging and root rot, promoting optimal growing conditions for your plants. Four, enhancing air quality. One of the most significant benefits of living walls is their ability to purify the air and improve indoor air quality. Plants naturally absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to reduce harmful pollutants and toxins in the air. By incorporating a living wall into your space, you can create a healthier and more breathable environment for yourself and your loved ones. Five, promoting well-being. Beyond their aesthetic appeal and air-purifying properties, living walls have been shown to promote a sense of well-being and connection to nature. Studies have demonstrated that exposure to greenery can reduce stress, boost mood, and enhance cognitive function. By surrounding yourself with lush foliage and vibrant blooms, you can create a sanctuary of tranquility and rejuvenation in your own home or workspace. Courtyard Harmony. The courtyard serves as the nexus of this harmonious retreat, uniting disparate elements into a cohesive whole. A meandering pathway invites exploration, while cozy seating areas beckon introspection and conversation. Here, The gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds serve as a gentle reminder to slow down and savor life's simple pleasures. Blending tradition with innovation. In the nature-inspired rustic modern kitchen patio oasis with Living Walls Courtyard Harmony, tradition and innovation converge to create a space that transcends the ordinary. Time-honored craftsmanship meets cutting-edge design, resulting in an environment that is both timeless and contemporary. Every detail, from the handcrafted furniture to the state-of-the-art appliances, is meticulously curated to evoke a sense of warmth and authenticity. Conclusion. In a world characterized by constant motion and noise, the nature-inspired rustic modern kitchen patio oasis with Living Walls Courtyard Harmony offers a sanctuary of serenity and balance. It is a testament to the enduring power of nature to nourish the soul and inspire the imagination. As we embrace the principles of biophilic design, we discover that the truest luxury lies not in extravagance, but in the simple beauty of the natural world.